Let's revise the sounds, Prashi. Okay, which sound is it? Okay, this one. This one, yes, this one. Which sound is it? Fast. This one. It's eh. Okay, this one. Look carefully. Look carefully. Look carefully. This one. It's d. D. Actually, here are some objects. Okay, here are few objects. आपको बताना है क sound किन objects में आ रही है. Okay, look here, look here. It can be in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end. कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. बस आपको क sound ढूंढना है. Okay, start. It has k sound. Okay, now keep it over here. यहाँ side में रख दीजिए. ठीक है? Next. Pick up the object and tell me, yes, what is it?
Comb.
Does it have k sound? Okay, keep it there. Fast, pick it up and tell me. This is a paise. Yes, this is coin. Does it have k sound?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, keep it. Next. This is glue. Does it have k sound in it? Okay, then you keep it back. वापस यहीं पे रख दो. Next, pick up the next object. What is it? What is it called in English? Keys. Key. This is a single key. Does it have k sound?
No.
Listen carefully. Key. Yes. Okay, Prashi. See, here are two words, and you have to land your rocket on the correct word. जो word हम बोलेंगे, वो आपको ध्यान से देखना है कौन सा है और उस पे अपने rocket को land करना है. Done? Show me your rocket, please. Show me. Wow, you made it. And you colored it also. Okay, good. Okay, the word is rat. Where's rat? Okay. Land your rocket on it. Oh, your rocket is ready to take off. And oh, rat. And can you read this word? Which word is it? Can you read it? What is the word?
Rack.
Very good. Okay, Prashi, what is this?
Duck.
Duck. Okay, आपको ये duck लग रहा है. मम्मा की ड्राइंग इतनी खराब हो गई है. चल कोई नहीं. अब आप खुद पढ़ के बताओगे कि ये क्या है. Okay, can you read it? What is it written?
Red.
Good. Red. Yes. What is it?
Hen.
Hen. So is it a hen or a duck? Hen. And which colored hen? You just read it. आपने अभी पढ़ा है. कौन से कलर की hen? Red. Okay. Will you color the hen red? चलो फटाफट अब इस red को hen इस hen को red color में कर दो. Because it is written red hen. What is it written?
Red hen.
Okay. match the pictures beginning with what sound is it? And what is the action? Okay, so tell me what all will you match? Which object start with sound? What is this? What is this?
Money.
Money? Does it starts with
Yes.
Okay, match it. Okay, do it fast. Okay, then I'll check it. First you do it. Okay, Rashi. Now we will play another game. हाँ? और मम्मा कुछ questions पूछेगी and you have to answer those questions. Think nicely and answer. And all the answers will begin with the sound Which sound? Remember, ठीक है? सारे answers कौन से sound से शुरू होंगे? Okay, first question. Which animal likes to eat bananas?
Birds.
Monkey. Okay, say monkey. Yes, and what is the beginning sound? Monkey. Okay, next question. Which insect bites us when we sleep? राशि सोती है तो कुछ काटता है राशि को कभी कभी? Mosquito. Oh, राशि को अभी से खुजली होने लगी? Okay. So, what is the beginning sound of mosquito? Next question. What does mummy puts on her face when she goes to a party? मम्मी क्या लगाती है जब पार्टी में जाती है? Eyebrow. Okay. And और क्या लगाती है? उसको क्या कहते हैं पूरा? Makeup. Makeup. So what sound? What is the beginning sound of makeup? Okay. Chalo, next question. What happens to the ice cube when we take it out from refrigerator? Ice cube को refrigerator से बाहर निकालते हैं. What happens to it? गर्मी लगती पिघल जाता. अच्छा, तो पिघलने को आपको पता है क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? The answer starts with Yes. क्या बोलते हैं? Melt. The ice cube melts. What happens to the ice cube? Melts. So, what is the beginning sound? Sound A. Good. Next, which sound is it? Okay. Match the small with capital. Rose. Does rose starts with then which picture starts with
Hen.
Next, do it fast. Keep one hand.
फटाक से करो.
Last.
Horse.
Yes, now read the word. Yes, now read it. Put the pen down.
Yeah. Mm. A. Wrap.
Very good. Wrap. What's this? What's this?
Penguin.
Penguin. And what is the end sound that is coming in the end? Say penguin loudly.
Penguin.
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 Yes. So what is the end? The sound which will come in the end?
A.
Ah. Say penguin. Penguin. Okay. Write it. Okay. What's this?
Spider.
Spider. So what is the end sound? D.
No.
Acha, okay. You were reading the. Okay. Spider. What is the end sound? जो सबसे last में sound आ रही है.
Spider.
Say spider loudly.
Spider.
Okay. Very good.